Oh wow, my hair got really big. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here. And together what, baby?
Majestic.
Together, baby.
K-N-O-T.
Not stressing.
Not N-O-T. K-N-O-T.
Not as in K-N-O-T, capital K-N-O-T, stressing.
S-T-R-E-S-S.
Anyway guys, we're here at the Yacht Club, aka Marina Palms in Freeport, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Guys, this is the day after our
Failed engagement.
babe, why you mean failed? Why would you say it's failed?
Not failed.
We just had a mishap with the ring.
Yeah, getting it
So
cleaned
we're
and
getting
stuff.
we're getting it fixed by the jeweler, but we're here. It's a real good vibe over here. Yeah. Yeah, so we're so far just waiting on some food. We haven't even ordered yet. They asked us to order on Instagram.
No, look up the order. Look up.
Yeah, so I have no idea what they kind of serve. How cute is that? They're on a push boat. But yeah, I like the vibe here. It's nice. I can only imagine when it's sunny.
Name my place. I have to search for
Marina Palms. J. But yeah, guys, once we get the food, we'll hit you guys back up. So guys, our soup came. I personally don't love too much garlic. It just tastes like with garlic and scallion, but it's palatable. What do you think, babe?
good.
It's good? You just said it wasn't good.
No, what's that?
I don't like so much scallion. Like, what's so much scallion I doing on my cheeks? And then we get one piece of hardwood bread. Babe. Piece of hardwood bread. Classic Jamaican. I asked her if she have 2 pieces of bread in there. I asked her if she have some butter in it.
Oh. That's some food. You still there? That's some food you're getting about.
We rain washing out here. Our soup is done. I want to go on that boat. Did that boat that me want to go on?
Go on it. And the party up on it.
You not care? You not coming?
Me? No, sir.
I thought that was supposed to be our thing. You know, love me enough to stay up on the boat with me, like Jack.
Good. That's what Jack did.
Baby, really? Me I lean into you too much. Me I go lean over. Body language 101. I don't babe. So we officially moved inside because outside it was kind of raining. So yeah, we're in here now. This is my glass of Chardonnay. Babe didn't order any liquor, so when my liquor gets to me, don't sit on it. Who you texting?
Olivia.
She knew. Anyway, here's the 2021. I don't drink beer anymore.
Yeah. Yesterday.
Did I drink beer yesterday?
Yeah.
That's why I don't drink beer today. Anyway, this place is real cute. Real cute little vibes. I was just kind of tired of Pier 1 for a minute. I was like, meh, might as well come somewhere else different. And this was high on Instagram, so I, came here. They're having a paint and sip right now, and I'm so jealous. So I'm gonna go paint and sip. But yeah, I'm still waiting on the food. We only have the soup and some bread. I think we want appetizers now, which is some sawfish fritters or fried dumpling, whatever that is. And Babe ordered a snapper, and I ordered chicken and shrimp pasta, which is crazy. I should be losing weight for my wedding right now, not sipping and sipping. Babe, I think I can lose 50 pounds for my wedding.
I know when you lose 50.
How much you want me to lose? 20?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
20 pounds?
None.
You like my body? I just need to get those lipo. I need the lipo. Babe, why are you so far from me? Come closer.
Hey.
So
come
far.
around.
I love you. I can't believe you're my fiance. This is wow. Anyway, y'all. I hope to call it my ring soon. But yeah. Bye guys.
Yeah, me see, I make our family invaded me.
Invade what?
Yeah, make your family invaded me.
What do you mean?
Because they're come.
Oh yeah, my cousin's coming just because he had to get something, but this is just our after. Are we gonna have an engagement party? That's what you said. So we're gonna have an engagement party maybe, and I want everyone to wear all white. And me, I'm gonna go extra with my whites. And you too. Anyway guys, later guys. Look at this pasta. I think a pasta should be served in like a dish, right babe?
Yeah. So that's a dish.
Like a flat dish. Anyway, it looked nice. Hopefully it tastes nice. Yeah, waiting on my cousin still.
Get you anything you like. That music got a vibe. Here to turn me up and down, sex like stacks. $1 million pussy, babe, price go up, don't drop. That pussy got a vibe. Get you anything you like. Yeah, that pussy got a vibe.
Corey, give me. What this song give me, Corey?
Huh?
Let me show you something. What did I try?
Me need a try.
You established stripes already? So y'all gonna finish this game?
Yeah.
What? Remember the time, you know?